everybody, incognito here with a recipe called Mississippi Mud. It's super easy and absolutely delicious. It's so easy that I can make it, and the kids are happy, the wife is happy. All you need is a big hunk of meat. It can be any kind of big hunk you like. You can do London broil, you can do a chuck roast, you can do a pot roast, whatever you like. Some water, some pepperoncinis, some ranch and some au jus, and a fork. So all you're going to do is this. Take the big hunk of meat, put it in the crock pot. It's pretty easy, right? Put in some water. It's actually probably all I need. Probably don't even need this one, but I'll save it for later. You take your ranch dressing. Ranch dressing mix, not, liquid ranch. You drizzle it on top. Spread it around a little so it kind of covers all the meat. Right? It's just a basic ranch. And then you add your au jus. Do the same thing. Put it on top of the meat. Then you just add a couple of pepperoncinis. Any kind will do. This just happens to be the kind that we bought. A couple of these guys, you just kind of spread them around. Do maybe 4, 5, 6. Usually two on each side, and then one at the head and the foot of the meat. And then you cook it 6 hours on high or 8 hours on low. And that's it. That's all you have to do. And you can check it later on to see if you need a little more water, but that's basically it. I'll come back later, maybe about midway through. You can see how it's starting to cook and starting to really loosen up and look good. All right? Whoop.
What?
All right. And that's what it looks like when it's done. And it tastes delicious.